Wait,
Fuck
what?
you up.
Just do it flat.
Like that, yeah. Alright, that's it right there?
Yeah.
Nah, hold on. Okay.
Yeah!
I should just skip that shit.
I don't know, like, why did you aim for it? I don't know, come on.
And don't look. If you look, you're gonna pull
I feel
away.
weird.
Look at-
It feels gross me doing it in the first
I told her
place.
I would do it. She won't let me do it. She's like, she trusts
I
me.
don't trust her.
Alright, you ready?
Hold a bag of ice, like squeeze it when it hurts.
Yeah.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
She's crying. It helped a little bit. Look, it went down.
I think it did go down.
It went down. Just hit it like 2 more times. You gotta try it again.
Come on. Yeah. She's gonna cry. And it's okay.
How long do you have the ice on it?
Like a minute, and she kept taking it off.
Put some ice
You know
on
how
it so
the
it
doctor's gonna
numb.
get rid of it? They're gonna take it, they're gonna do surgery. That's how they're gonna get rid of it. Would you rather just have it pop right now or go through surgery? Come on.
Oh, it's already numb. You can't move it, so just let me hit it again. It sounds. I feel weird doing that.
Why?
I don't know. I'm like, let me hit it again.
No, you're good. You could,
Just, if you hit it one more time, it'll be gone.